So, to repeating something, we're using loop. Allow me to remove these lines and keep this one for now. And we need at least one variable for that. I say them. Let's say int as integer, counter as integer. And the block of code of 4 is 4. You say your variable int counter start from what? I say from 1 to how much? Let's say 5 for now. We have more additions which I will mention later on. But for now, here and by the end, we could say next. Next, which one? This one. Which it is actually optional because we have 1 and it is not nested. So you could actually remove it. This is very simple. If I put any commands here, by default, we have step 1. I mean, start from 1, doing your command, and going to the next step, setting 1 is getting 2, repeating 3, 4, 5. Let's run it. Is it working or not? I'm going to the word, I remove the content, macro, and run macro. By clicking on generate, as you see, 5 times generated to text. So it is much easier and faster. Let's try it, maybe 10. Let's try again. Macro, run macro, generate. Now we have 10 lines of sample text. It is very simple. How about asking from the user? It is very simple. I say int counter equal, as you know, we could get from input box, please enter the value for repeating. Okay. And now my counter starts from 1 to exactly the same to this value. So my counter starts from 1 to the end value. Let's try macro, run macro. I click on generate. How many times you want? 3. Okay. Allow me to close and remove. Let's try it again. How many times you want? 15. Okay. Now we have 15. Actually, we could create a clear form to every time not to close it and reopen it. How can I do that? It is very simple. Allow me to go Visual Basic. Before asking or doing any repeating, I could actually do, let's say, selection dot whole story and selection dot delete. These are optional. Let's try, is it working or not? Word, macro, run, generate 2 times. Yep. Again, 4 times. Again, 1 time. So it is very simple. Maybe 50 times. This time it is much more than 1. Okay. So with the 4, we could generate a loop of commands to repeating from 1 to the end, which we will get from the user by this code.